Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a cartoon car. Start by sketching simple shapes like circles for wheels and rectangles for the body. Use light strokes to adjust proportions and keep lines loose. Focus on playful exaggeration like oversized wheels or a tiny cabin. Refine the silhouette, erase construction lines, and prepare to add details and color that give your car personality and motion. Next, add details that sell the cartoon look, like big round headlights, a smiling grille, and stylized windows. Use curved, confident lines and small patterns to suggest motion and texture. Keep elements simple and readable so they read at a glance. Add character with accessories like a tiny spoiler, luggage rack, or a fun bumper sticker to make each car feel unique and memorable. For color, pick a bright, limited palette that gives strong contrast and instant appeal. Lay down flat base colors first, then add simple shadows and highlights to suggest volume without overcomplicating the image. Use soft gradients or crisp cell shading, depending on your style, and keep highlights bold to reflect light playfully. Balance color saturation so the car pops while accessories and background stay supportive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.